For this project, we're going to create a sun design, starting with the center face and working our way out. You'll need a paper plate, something to draw with, a circle, or something that you can trace around. I used a peanut butter lid, and something to add color with. First, you want to take your circle and put it in the middle of your paper plate. If you don't have a paper plate, you can do this on a regular piece of paper, so don't worry. Hold it in the middle and trace around carefully. Once you've done that, you have the face of your sun. The first thing you want to draw are the eyes. It's important to draw your eyes large, not small. You can make your eyes however you want. I'm going to make my eyes using a football, basketball, and baseball shape. I'm going to start my football by doing 2 curved lines. This helps me get my eyes big enough. Then I'm going to repeat the curved lines going in the opposite direction. This creates my football shape. Next, I'm going to add a huge circle in the middle of the football. That's my basketball. That's the colored part of the eye. And finally, I'm going to put a baseball in the middle. Once you've drawn your eyes, the next step is to add the mouth. Now you can draw your mouth however you want. It can be a smile, it can be lips. I'm going to show you how to draw lips. To draw lips, you want to start with the center of the lips, where the lips meet. Then on the top, you want to do the letter M. And on the bottom of the line, you want to do the letter U. That'll give you lips. The third thing you want to add to your face is your nose. You can add your nose however you want. Your nose can go all the way up into the forehead area if you want. I'm going to make my nose using 3 U's. 1 U, 2 U's, 3 U's. And I have my nose. Now I'm going to make my nose go up to my forehead. I can just kind of decide where I want it to go. Now I'm going to look at the space left in my face. I have areas above my eyes. I could add an eyebrow or an eyelid or eyelashes. I can add whatever I want. I have areas in the cheek area. I could add cheeks if I want, or I could simply add some kind of design in that area. Once you finish your face, you're on to your sun's rays. Now, choose some kind of shape to start with. You can use a regular triangle shape like the sun's rays, but I'm going to design my own. I'm going to use a rectangle shape. Now, it's a good idea when you're drawing these shapes to turn your paper plate as you draw. That's going to help your rays go out in the right direction. So you're going to go all the way around your circle, repeating that same shape that you decided to start with. Doesn't matter what shape it is. It can even be a line. When you've finished going all the way around, take a look at your sun and think about what else you could do all the way around. This time I think I'm going to try a line. I'm going to do a swirly line in between my rectangles. And I'm going to go up into this space that I haven't used yet. Notice again how I'm turning my paper as I go around the circle, repeating the same shape as I go around. There. Now, I can look at it and I can be done, or I can continue to add things going around the circle. The choice is yours. When you're finished designing, make sure you use color to add some pizzazz to your work.